Daily Expenses. 4 is a practical Android application designed for personal finance management, helping users track and manage their daily expenses efficiently. The app provides an intuitive interface that allows users to easily input, categorize, and monitor their spending habits in real time. With features like expense categorization, users can assign their expenditures to specific categories such as food, transportation, and entertainment, making it easier to analyze their financial habits. The app often includes graphical representations, such as charts and reports, which visually summarize financial data, helping users identify trends and areas for improvement. Daily Expenses 4 may also offer budgeting tools that allow users to set spending limits for different categories and receive notifications when they approach these limits. The app's user-friendly design makes it accessible for everyone, regardless of their financial expertise. Overall, Daily Expenses 4 is a valuable tool for individuals aiming to take control of their finances, promoting better budgeting, savings, and informed spending decisions.